Good morning, State Line. It is an awful chilly start to the day. Temperatures have been falling throughout the week, and now we've reached the bottom over the next few days. We're going to see the chilly air in the store today. It's going to feel even colder with the wind gusting upwards of 30 miles an hour, but some sunshine finally in the forecast. Well-needed dry weather. The cool air will linger into the overnight hours tonight and into tomorrow. A freezing Friday, a freeze warning in effect for the entire viewing area going throughout tomorrow morning. Cool temperatures linger into the weekend forecast as well. I'll show you that full 7-day in just a few minutes. Take a look at this viewer photo that Mark sent in to us from RIDA yesterday. You can see the rainbow there after the rain moved through yesterday afternoon and we dried things out late yesterday, but the wind was whipping overnight. I don't know about you, but I could definitely hear the wind throughout the overnight hours blowing the trees outside. Mercy Health Skycam overlooking the Mercy Health Women and Children's Hospital and Medical Campus camera. A few clouds out there right now. We'll lose most of the clouds throughout the day today, turn partly sunny this afternoon. We'll keep temperatures in the 40s, right now 41 degrees with a westerly wind at 21 miles an hour. Starting off the day throughout the viewing area in the upper 30s, low 40s. We'll warm it into the upper 40s, near 50, but I think we'll have a hard time breaking that 50-degree mark because we are some 25 to nearly 30 degrees colder than we were this time yesterday morning. And it's feeling even colder with winds out of the west, sustained 15 to nearly 20 miles an hour with gusts upwards of 30 miles an hour. A few clouds out here on satellite and radar. We'll see partly sunny skies throughout the day today thanks to clear weather still off to our west. The cold front from yesterday has pushed off to the east, bringing showers and storms throughout the northeast. But because of the cold weather expected tonight, like I mentioned, a freeze warning in effect for the entire viewing area through early tomorrow morning. Flood warning still out for the Rock and Pecatonica rivers as much of the area still at moderate flood stage. It's going to take a little while for those waters to recede. Speaking of flooding rains, Hurricane Michael yesterday made landfall over the Florida Panhandle, now making its way through portions of eastern Georgia and into the Carolinas, dumping a lot of heavy rain. Take a look at this video that Ginger Z of ABC News took, and you can see a house there off in the distance, but towards the end of the video, the storm surge sweeps it right away. A lot of damage left in its wake, and it's going to take a few days to clean up from the storm. It was the strongest storm to hit the Florida Panhandle and one of the strongest storms on record to hit the United States pressure-wise. You can see the eye of the hurricane as it made landfall there right around 1 o'clock yesterday afternoon. Brought some calm conditions to Mexico Beach when the eye came over, but a different story when it was moving inland. And like I mentioned, one of the strongest storms on record, the third strongest storm to hit the United States pressure-wise with a pressure of 919 millibars and winds just shy of Category 5 status. A few passing clouds for us here locally today, otherwise some sunshine this afternoon. We'll see a few clouds build in late tonight, but a cold overnight. Will turn partly to mainly cloudy. I think Futurecast is overdoing it just a little bit on the cloud cover tomorrow, but you can see we can't rule out the chance of an isolated shower, then clearing out yet again Friday night, another cold night starting off Saturday morning. Today warming it up to right around 49 degrees, some clouds early, then afternoon sunshine tonight down near 32, a freeze warning in effect throughout the entire viewing area. 7-day forecast shows the cold weather is here to stay throughout the 7-day forecast with some sunshine the next few days. Clouds increase late in the weekend. Can't rule out the slight chance of a shower Sunday and into Monday, but definitely some cold weather, Jay. Bundle up.
All right, thanks a lot, Ryan. It is 6:14 coming up next. A local 6